Hey, this is Buck Bonner with MarineMax, standing on the back of a fresh listing. This is a 2006 Regal 4060. This boat is in great condition. We just completed full annual services on it. It's a lot of boat for the price point where this boat is. So as you can see, I'm standing on the back of the swim platform here, which has had sea deck installed, which is nice. It is a non-skid surface, very durable, much easier and better space to hang out when you're on the lake or on the water for the day. Also, it comes with the Magma grill, so you can prepare your food for your guests here on the back of the boat. All the smoke, all the grease splatter goes on the back, not in your cockpit, which is very nice. We also have a massive aft storage trunk, so it's a great spot for all the floats, all the life jackets, all the lines, fenders. A really cool compartment right here. The Regal 4060 has a very unique cockpit, so it's almost like a two-tiered setup. You have a nice aft L-shaped wraparound bench here with the upgraded audio system. As if you can see, they have 3 lit JL subwoofers there, and those speakers continue all throughout the cockpit as well, all the way up the arch. They've installed the blue LED lights in the hardtop as well, which is a massive hardtop, gives great sun coverage to the cockpit of this boat. And then we have a phenomenal wet bar area over here. We have a mounted television in the cockpit so you can catch your favorite game or TV show in the cove. You'll have garbage storage. You'll have a built-in ice maker right here, as well as counter space for serving, drink preparing, things like that. Here at this raised section here, you've got a filler cushion for this table. This table can lower down. That cushion sits there and creates a great sun pad / social lounge zone. Directly opposing, you've got a double wide cockpit helm seat here. This is a V-drive boat. It has Volvo 8.1s, 420 horsepower apiece. There's about 481 hours on the engines of runtime logged. We're going to have our shifters here and our throttles here for acceleration and deceleration, as well as this boat does have a bow thruster. So when you're pulling that boat into the slip, and if the winds, you have a little bit of a cross breeze, you're losing your bow a little bit, you can just tap on those buttons, bring that bow back in line. It makes docking an absolute breeze. You don't have to be a professional in order to dock this boat. We have sea deck steps that lead up to the bow, where we have a nice area for bow cushions, as well as a nice non-skid surface up on the bow, leading all the way up to the spotlight. Down below is a really cool layout for this boat. So in most 40-foot boats, you're not going to have the 2 stateroom, 2 hard door layout. Not only do we have this beautiful salon with a pull-out sleeper sofa, and then a full galley, lots of counter space, stovetop hot eyes here as well, and a large refrigerator. Also have a built-in microwave behind the cabinetry here, and then a Samsung, looks like probably about a 32-inch television. But the 2 staterooms and 2 heads are the difference maker. So here you're going to have your master's, the V berth, and then you also have private access to the head. I'll let you take a look at that. And then you do have a pocket door that closes off that area, so if you do have multiple guests on board, every guest has their own private head, as well as a hard door to give privacy. The other staterooms in the aft portion of the boat, you're going to have 2 single berths in here, as well as a private head and vanity. This boat has a ton of things going for it. It just hit the sales dock here on Lake Lanier. Call today to schedule your private showing. We would love to show it to you in person.